Yo, bro, I've been trying to do this voiceover for like 30 minutes now, bro. Like, oh my God. All right, so I got this new sneakers cleaning wipes thing, and I'm gonna show y'all it on one of my personal pages. I had to show y'all. I really like this thing. It's quick. Being that I clean everybody's sneakers, I never have time to clean my own sneakers. Like I was supposed to go out and my Travises look crazy. That was from the snow and stuff, and the QuicKlean got me right in no more than 5 minutes. Like this product, I've been using it since the beginning of this year. I have went to a sneaker convention, and I haven't had any complaints since. Great product for real. This is the before and the after. Y'all could just see like the work that it does for real. I was wearing these Travises in snow from the ice, so all of that was left on the shoe, and QuicKlean got it up right up. Now you see I clean both the pairs with them. And it's no harmful products. The color ain't even come off the white for real. So yeah, and it's, yo, get QuicKlean, y'all.